In this section, we want to learn about the applications of rational equations and proportions. In the first problem, a certain medicine is given in an amount proportional to a patient's body weight. Proportional means when we set up a linear model that is related to linear model, that means that can be written with linear equation. What we know is this is about the medicine given to a person. When person's weight is 0, the person doesn't exist. So the medicine amount must be 0. That means when we relate the situation with the linear equation, it passes 0 and 0. So y-intercept will be 0. So the equation form will be y equals a times x. A is a slope. We want to figure out the slope by reading the conditions. What it says is, suppose a patient weighing 195 pounds requires 279 milligrams of medicine. What is the amount of the medicine required by the patient weighing 130 pounds? Here, the information about the slope will be the medicine amount, 279 milligrams of medicine for 195-pound person. When we set up a linear equation, the output must be the amount of medicine. So that'll be represented by y, and body weight is represented by x. Change in medicine is 279 milligrams because it passes 0 and 0. And change in body weight is 195 pounds. That's written in the denominator because, again, it passes 0 and 0. So we are thinking about 0 and 0 and 195 and 279 to get the slope. So the linear model we set up from the information is 279 over 195x. The question is about what is the medicine amount when a patient weighs 130 pounds? Y equals 279 over 195 times body weight that is given as 130 pounds. And then we use calculator. Then it'll give you 186 milligram. In the next problem, each marble bag sold by Jim's Marble Company contains 3 green marbles for every 5 yellow marbles. So if there is 3 green marbles, then there must be 5 yellow marbles in a bag. There is another bag. That bag contains 30 yellow marbles. So there are 30 yellow marbles, but we don't know the number of green marbles in that bag. What it says is that's proportional. 3 correspond to green marbles and yellow marble correspond to what's in the denominator. So we have to be consistent in writing. I would write the number of green marbles on the numerator. We don't know, so I represented it by X. And I write the number of yellow marbles on the denominator. After we set up this equation, we have to solve for X. To do that, we multiply by 30 on both sides. So these two will cancel each other. So X equals 30 is 5 times 6. So these two will cancel each other. And 3 times 6 will make 18. So there are 18 green marbles in the other bag.